If you are in Sanur and craving real local Balinese food and experiences, get yourself to the Sindhu Night Market. Put it on top of your list of things to do. Known as Pasar Sindhu, this night market is where the locals go to eat, right beside the tourists, dining on local food cooked fresh in front of you. The Sindhu Night Market is about 8-minute walk from Sindhu Beach. Like all night markets across Asia, it's a mecca for local foods. You'll sit on plastic chairs, sharing plastic-covered tables with others and the local dogs. It's a real community feel. The Sindhu Night Market is quite small for a night market, and there's not much shopping there, but there is plenty of good food. The night market is free entry and it opens at 4 p.m, but vendors will be still preparing food, so aim to rock up about 6 or 7 p.m, when it's peak time for everyone to be open and cooking. There are parking fees for scooters and cars too. Bring small cash with you. Cash only is the go. Please hit like and subscribe for more travel vlogs and travel guides. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey.